Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Buds 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find the device. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are connected with your smartphone and go to Bluetooth settings. Select your headphones settings and go to find device. Now you can tap on the speaker button to force your earbuds to play very loud sound that will help you locate them. Also, you can go to last known location, log in, and now you can check location of your earbuds on the map. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.